Hello everyone. In the previous video, we covered Python tuple and Python list. Now, in the today's video, we are going to cover Python set data type. So open Anaconda Navigator, click Launch Jupyter Notebook. Then in the desktop, in the Python folder, create new file. Give name as a Python set data type. Then, what is the definition of set? Set is a collection which is unordered and unchanged and unindexed. These are set definition. So, what is the difference between the list, then the tuple and the set? As you know, in the list you can add, you can modify items into the list. If you compare list to the tuple, you cannot add or cannot modify tuple value, but in the set there are no positive and negative index present. So if you consider tuple and set, there are positive index and negative index. So how to declare set? You have to write down my set is equal to, for list we use square bracket, for tuple we use circular brackets, and for the set we have to use curly braces. In the curly braces you have to write down set name, that is wisdom, sprouts, and Python. If you run this program and if you want to print my set, then you will get this result. So as you know, the Python lists are unindexed, so you cannot predict the sequence of list. Maybe sometime wisdom will print last, Python will print first. So these are set. Now once the set is created, you cannot change the item, but you can add set item. So how to add? You have to write down something like this: my set dot add method. So dot add, I am writing Java, and if I print my underscore set, then you will get wisdom, Java, sprouts, and Python. If you compare this add method with append method for the list, then you can get that append method will always add item into last of index, but in set there are no index x, so you cannot determine in which index your new value will get stored. Okay, so this is add method. Then if you want to check what is the length of your set, then how you can change that? You just have to write down print len function. Len stands for length, my set. If you run this, then you will get there are total 4 items in our set. If you want to remove specific item from your set, you have to use remove method. So my underscore set, and you have to write down your item name. Suppose I'm writing Python, and again I want to print my set, just wait, print my set, or sorry, I have to write down dot remove method. Yes, then you will get our Python will get deleted. Now there is a one more method, my set dot discard. So what is the discard? You suppose I'm writing wisdom. If you run this, then then if you want to print my underscore set, then you will get our wisdom is get deleted. So what is the difference between the remove method and discard method? If you use remove method, suppose I'm writing remove, I'm writing something different name, that is Android. If I run this, then I will get error, that is key error, Android is not present. But if I use my underscore set discard method with same keyword Android, then there will be a no error. So what is the difference between the remove and discard method? If you want to remove an element which is not present into the list, then you will get error. But instead of remove, if you use discard, then you will not get error. So this is the main difference between the remove and discard method. So guys, this is all for the today's lecture. Subscribe our channel and click bell icon to get more updates. Thank you.